When someone does something that annoys or bothers you, it can be difficult to speak up for yourself. However, self-advocacy is something that we all need to become familiar with in order to navigate the difficult life we live in. With that in mind, there are a few simple things I like to do to establish my boundaries and make them stick. For example, when someone does something to me that I find disagreeable, the first thing I like to do is take them aside privately and gently, but firmly, ask the person not to repeat the action. Sometimes, just bringing something to a person's attention is enough. If they repeat the action more than once afterwards, I take a moment to judge whether this is due to simple forgetfulness or an actual dismissal of my thoughts on the matter. If it's just a mistake, I calmly remind them that I'm not comfortable with that. While I can't control another person's actions, I can control how I respond to them and whether or not I stay in a negative situation. Once I determine that someone is committed to being disrespectful, I become equally committed to limiting my interactions with them and maintaining distance from them both professionally and personally. It may seem like an overreaction, but after many years, I have learned not to let anyone take me outside of who I am or convince me that I deserve to be treated in an ill manner.